In this video, I'm going to show how to download and install Java 24 on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and then browse this URL. Click on the products and go to the bottom of this page. Select Java from the hardware and software section. Then click on download Java link. Okay. Now select the Java version. I am going to select Java 24 and then select the operating system Windows, then download the installer. I am going to download the installer for 64-bit operating system. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading Java installer for Windows operating system. After a successful download, go into Downloads folder and then open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Now click on next. This is the default installation folder. If you want to change this folder, click on the change button and select the folder where you want to install Java. I am going to install it on this default location. Click on next. It may take a while for installing Java as a development kit. Java as a development kit 24 installed successfully. Click on the close and verify the installation. So open command prompt. Write this command Java hyphen hyphen version, then hit enter. If you see this, that means Java 24 installed successfully. Now I'm going to set the Java home path environment variable. So search for edit the system environment variables, then open it, then click on the environment variables. Here in the system variables section, click on the path, then click on edit. Here you will see the path environment variable of Java. You can delete this path. Okay. Now create a new variable. Click on the new and then write the variable name here Java underscore home and then go into the local disk C, then program files. Here find out Java, then JDK. Now copy this path and go back to environment variable. Here paste this path as the variable value. Click on OK and then select path, then click on edit and then click on new to add new path here and write java underscore home backslash win, then hit enter. Now click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now exit command prompt and reopen and verify java c hyphen hyphen version, then hit enter. That's it. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.